leaking and you can see it's a little bit discolor, also locate your leak. A headlamp, get a headlamp so that you can see it's pretty tight up here. See the mammoth size of this attic. Actually, make sure you watch these. Step on the pipe and stuff too. Locate it, you can see the spot from the side. You can see here the side of the chute. And this, how to find your leak in the attic here. The simplest way to do is first locate where it's leaking, and you can see it's a little bit discolor of the ceiling. Also, if you have a thermal camera, it's nice to have, is it can also locate your leak. So that's the first thing you want to do, is locate it in some, and you're gonna need somebody down here to kind of tap. I'm gonna have my wife tap with a broom gently, and the end of the broom, so I can locate it. And also you can kind of see where your frame, like this is close to the fireplace. So I'm thinking it's a chute somewhere. So let's go upstairs in the attic, and I'll show you how to locate it. Okay, so I showed you guys earlier where it was leaking inside the house. So now we're in the garage here, and open access to the attic here. And things you're gonna need is a 5-gallon bucket, just in case you do locate it. You can put that where it's at. I'm sure it's coming from the roof somewhere, in a chute or something from like an exhaust. So let's go up there here. Let me see if I forget anything. Oh, another thing, bring your phone, have somebody downstairs here. I'm gonna have the wife, she's gonna actually get a phone call, and she can use a broom end tip and just gently knocking up top of the ceiling, so that it does, gently, so you don't damage the ceiling. So she's gonna do that so I can locate exactly where the leakage is. So let's head up there here, and bear with me here. I have a camera on me, so it's gonna take a little bit here. Yeah, we have quite a bit of stuff up here. Let me see here, locate it. Also, you want to wear, I got a headlamp on here. Let me show you a headlamp. Get a headlamp so that you can see. Recommend that. Wear some shoes, because you don't want to, you want to have good grip on your feet, right? And let's go through here. You can see it's pretty tight up here. And you see the large area here. Attic. It's a ranch, so you can see the mammoth size of this attic. Actually, you can almost add like a room up here, right? So let me go here. And then I got my phone on me, so you see here, I'm probably gonna, you wanna step only on the 2x4s. So it's locating these. I'm gonna put the bucket here and here. 2x4 here. So again, you wanna go, and I think it's all the way over there. And which, honestly, to tell you the truth, I've been over there, I already saw it, so I'm just kind of recreating this for you guys. But this is how I found it, how I located the leak. Okay, you see where I'm stepping? Locate 2x4, right? And we recently got a roof replaced, so that's why. And of course, it's under warranty. We can probably get these guys out, the roofers. But the thing is, they came out once already, and they thought they fixed it. So this time, I'm actually going up myself to locate it, because they weren't really sure where it's coming from. They thought they fixed it. So this time, I took pictures, and locate it exactly for them. So next time when they come up here, which I'm gonna call them or send them an email here right when I'm done with this, and show them where exactly it's coming from, right? Make sure you watch these. Don't step on the pipe and stuff too. You don't want to damage it, right? Okay, made this far. Let's see. Yeah, you want to make sure you fix all this, the leak. It can get you know, it can get pretty bad, molding, and eventually your ceiling's not good. But here, guy got to where I'm at. This is from earlier here. I located, you can see the spot. So you call somebody down there. That's how I locate it. Let's call the wife, and she knocks it. Let me see, let me give her a call here. And that's how I located it, because it's pretty hard if you don't, you know, with all this insulation down here. Hello, babe. Can you knock it gently with the broom, end tip of the broom here? Yeah, and you see, when she was doing that, I was able to locate it, and that's how I found it. But that's a little tip, easy way to find it. And you know, but now let's locate, since it's down here. Thank you, babe. And then now we found where it's at. You just kind of go straight up and look up, and I couldn't see anything leaking from here. But then I found it's coming from the side. You can see here the side of the chute, and this is actually from the chimney, the fireplace. It's coming right from here. In the meantime, I'm actually gonna put a bucket right here so that it will catch it until they come and fix it. So yeah, that's how I found it and located it. But I figured I'd share with you guys. How I locate it. And the best time to do is when it's raining, when it's actually, let me turn this light off, sorry. The best time to do it when it's raining, when it's actually happening, and then you can locate it. Because when they came, the roofers came under warranty, they came and looked at it. They're trying to find it, but they can't really locate it. And they kind of figured it was this. They caulked it more, sealed it more. Thought that might fix the problem. It's actually coming inside this exhaust here. But yeah, other than that, guys, I figure I'd make a quick DIY video so that help you guys save some time and headache. You know. Happy New Year's, okay? Until next time, bye. Bye now.